Would you like some coffee? Yeah, espresso. For you, sir? Macchiato.